Hey everybody, this is Jasmine, our little bird that we just found, and I think she's just dying, but we hope she's okay and she gets out of pain and everything, because we don't know what's going on with her. We don't know what's wrong, so we just found her on our porch. So she's so cute. She's having a really hard time right now. And I honestly don't know what happened to her, but I think she ran into the wall. But she's a cutie. So sad. Jasmine is a very cute bird. Mm. She's looking up now. Aww. Well, when she passes, there's a better world for her outside of this one, so she's going to be out of her suffering when that day comes. So that'll be very soon, but it won't be right now. But we hope to save her life so she doesn't go through anything wrong and she just lives. But sometimes you gotta know what's truthful. She might not live, so we're sad about this. This is my video about Jasmine, who passes away in 2 days. It's September 28th today. So by tomorrow or the next day, she will be gone. Aww. We will miss her a lot. But yeah. She's our little visitor that we had tonight. So oh. Well, hopefully that she doesn't have other people and other birds in her life that are dying. I don't know, but she fell from the sky. You guys have a nice night.